Good night. My name is Andres Felipe Barrera. I am 20 years old. I live in Yopal, Casanare. I am in group 127 of English 2. My presentation of my vacation brochure is as follows. My vacation was San Andres as a curious history, and I want to read him. Trip to San Andres. The history of San Andres. In my last vacation, I visited the island of San Andres. At the time, I went in December. It is usually invited and ember and storm sometimes. Usual at the island. However, on good days, the weather in my swimming and the beach on the preferred destination, as well as the nearby island, because of the strong sun. It is good they use a good sunscreen, sunglass. I add an hand for most summer with or warm weather closer such as shirt and shirt. What can be done on the island, and what recommendation do you have in mind? 1. First, the children can go the beach. 2. If you go with your family, you can enjoy the breeze of the sun and the sun. 3. If you have young children, keep them close. They can be easily removed. 4. They and yourself can protect yourself with sunscreen and a hat. 5. City officials are willing to help, and many of them can tell you how to get to a certain place. 6. The food on the island is very varied. You can enjoy many dishes. 7. You can look for a suitable time so you will not encounter storm or bad weather. Things that can and cannot do. Also, it is a place for travelers. We live on touring. You cannot take advantage of the circumstance of some locals. You can enjoy the sea and the sun as well as the beautiful beach. Thank you for attention. Sincerely, Andres Barrera.